I'm Alicia, I'm from Italy, Rome. I'm a painter and I'm traveling the world painting on big walls, but also on small things. Street art is really about sharing on the street and sharing on the web, because the web is also the new street. I think that Canon is really quality. The camera is important for me to document what I see, and most over to take inspiration of the color, the texture. When I'm traveling, I'm always taking inspiration from the place where I am. The possibility to take picture from high and from down, looking through the monitor, is really useful. The 19-point focus point, the possibility to really focus on what you need. The first inspiration was the shape of the wall. The wall colors were half orange and half gray, with some texture of old poster on it. I was very impressed by the detail. Photography is the beginning of creating something. So my first reaction is really incredible, the way the camera can touch the computer, the telephone, to have the result. The fact that it was very quick with the wireless to connect is really changing my life when I'm traveling. What I'm doing is going back and watching the picture. This way is much quicker. The wall usually has a story, a color, people living in front. It's very important when I'm painting the wall, because there is a point where when you're watching from real your wall, then you need to take a lot of distance to really understand if it's working or not. I'm using video, and autofocus was really quick. It gives the possibility to follow the people passing by. Screen was really useful to see the detail of the painting, for example, and to see if the color were right and if you got the texture. When I'm painting a wall, the last testimony of it is the photo, and this is really important for me. The high resolution gives me the possibility to print books of my works. The nice part of art, you always find a way to connect with people.
Hi! If you've been thinking about stepping up to a great interchangeable lens camera, you'll want to watch this video. I'm here to introduce you to Canon's EOS Rebel SL2 camera. The EOS Rebel SL2 combines high performance and a compact size with an articulated, rotating LCD screen, making it a perfect camera for video as well as still images. And it's compatible with over 70 different Canon lenses, so it's ready to deliver high-quality imagery and grow with you as your needs grow. Maybe you're using a smartphone for your photos and video and simply want to step up to a camera with interchangeable lenses. Or you might already own an older and larger digital SLR and want to start fresh with a more advanced camera that is also smaller and lighter, but just as flexible. Either way, the EOS Rebel SL2 may be just what you've been hoping for. Let's take a quick glimpse into the camera's many appealing features. Image quality is a huge consideration whenever you're choosing a camera, and the EOS Rebel SL2 will not disappoint. It has a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor. That's larger than the sensors in virtually any smartphone. And those larger pixels mean better light sensitivity, especially in dim light. Speaking of dim light, it's possible to record still images and video at ISOs up to 25,600. Take a look at the large 3-inch LCD screen. It doesn't just tilt. It's Canon's vari-angle LCD screen, meaning you can move it in many ways, even face it forward to take selfies. This is a great tool for video recording, and something you will love if you're a vlogger. The focusing system for video and live view shooting from the LCD screen is amazing. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS autofocus provides fast and accurate autofocus. It works beautifully with moving as well as still subjects. And with the convenient touchscreen LCD, you can just tap the screen to tell the camera where to focus. The EOS Rebel SL2 is a great choice for vlogging. Its compact size and built-in movie digital IS mean easy, steady one-handed operation for video shooters. It records full HD 1080p video at up to 60 frames per second for much sharper and smoother videos. And the MP4 video files are smaller in size, so they're easily shareable between compatible mobile devices. Speaking of sharing, built-in Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth make it easy to connect the camera to a compatible smartphone or tablet. When combined with the free Canon Camera Connect app, you can quickly transfer your photos and videos to share in texts, emails, or on social media. If you primarily shoot photos, you'll love the optical viewfinder and its dedicated 9-point autofocus system. Optical viewfinders make it easy to compose the shot you want, keep the subject in focus, and capture it with minimal lag time between seeing it and pressing the shutter button. Knowledge is power, and the EOS Rebel SL2 has a feature assistant in its menus to provide just that. It doesn't just spell out what different settings will do. It shows you pictures on screen to illustrate what different shooting modes and other settings can do. And for experienced photographers who don't need the extra help, it's easy to turn off and return to traditional menu screens. Creativity isn't hard to come by, thanks to a number of creative filters for still shots, including fisheye, toy camera, and miniature, along with available effects for movies like Dream, Old Movie, and dramatic black and white. Impressive features and performance, easy to use, and a size that's convenient to carry. The EOS Rebel SL2 is hard to resist, putting the next level of photography and video literally within your reach. For more information, visit the Canon USA website. Thanks for watching.